Interesting facts from around the world. Interesting facts about vampire bats. Vampire bats have a reputation for being aggressive and bloodthirsty. But these little creatures have a good nature, with a need for a bit of blood now and then. Here are some interesting facts about vampire bats. They're not too keen on sunshine, therefore they only come out at night. During the day, they stick to caves, wells, hollow trees and abandoned buildings. Vampire bats can live alone, in small families or even in colonies. Female bats tend to be more social, creating bonds that last for years. Their name and teeth may make them look fearsome. They actually have a warm nature, especially towards each other. They are the only bat species to care for each other's young if a baby loses its mother. We think of them in dark, musky caves. They are actually very clean animals. Like other animals, they clean themselves and each other. These bats carry their name for a reason. Vampire bats do drink blood, although they stick to animal blood and don't drain them as legend would have you believe. They drink the blood of cows, horses, pigs, and even certain birds. They feed upon prey when they are asleep. Usually, they don't even notice that something is having a meal. They can feed on an animal for about 30 minutes before the animal will notice. The expression, "as blind as a bat," may lead you to believe that bats have pretty bad eyesight. The vampire variety has very good eyesight. Vampire bats in particular can see prey from about 130 meters away. Most species of bat can't take off or even walk on their legs. That's why they hang upside down. It's the easiest way for them to take off and fly. Vampire bats have very strong back legs, enabling them to walk, run and jump. At night, vampire bats need to consume around half their body weight in blood. The blood they drink is important. If they don't have blood for 2 nights in a row, they will die. They even share blood with each other by regurgitating it. Although we generally fear vampire bats, they are actually pretty harmless. They rarely attack humans and only if necessary. They are usually friendly towards us and are definitely not to be feared. Finally, vampire bats don't suck blood. They use their sharp teeth to make a small cut, and then they lap up the blood with their tongues. Thank you for your time. Drop a comment. Bye for now.
Hey, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, it helps me a lot. Have a great day.
Interesting facts from around the world.